How to stop your iPhone from tracking your activity. In this video, we are going to see how to adjust your iPhone's privacy settings to limit app tracking, analytics, advertising, and location sharing. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Turn off app tracking. Tap Tracking. If Allow Apps to Request to Track is enabled, turn it off. You can also review the apps listed here and disable tracking permissions where needed. Next, go back to Privacy and Security. Scroll down and tap Analytics and Improvements. Here, you'll find several options for sharing analytics and usage data with Apple. Review these settings and turn off any analytics or sharing options you don't want to use. Also, go back and select Apple Advertising. If personalized ads is enabled, you can turn it off to limit personalized advertising. Now, go back and tap Location Services. You'll see a list of apps that can access your location. Select any app that doesn't need your location and change its permission to Never, or choose another option that suits your needs. Next, scroll down and tap System Services. Review the available location-based services and disable the ones you don't need. One important option is Significant Locations. Tap it and turn it off if you don't want your iPhone storing frequently visited locations. You can also use Clear History to remove the existing significant location history. And that's how you can adjust several important privacy settings on your iPhone to reduce unnecessary tracking and data sharing. Keep in mind that some services, such as emergency features and Find My, can be useful, so review each setting before disabling it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.